Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I am working on perfecting hoops. So I made these and then I am going to create a whole lot more of them. I know that people like hoops. I like hoops and I tend to wear the one pair of hoop, the big hoops, big round. I think they're 3 inch by 3 inch hoops. And I wear them all the time. So I do know that I like hoops. And whenever I make hoops like this, I tend to wear them. So I do like them. And these I made with grooves on the side, if you can see the grooves, just to give it. And these circles came out perfect. I mean, they were like perfect. And I was like, well, what can I do to them to make them look even better? So I put these little grooves in it, if you can see that. And then we added some charms. And I really like these. I like the way these came out. I don't know if you guys can hear the yard man in the background, but he just gets on my nerves with that. So these are the hoops for today. And I am going to be making a whole lot more of these. And they are lightweight. Really lightweight, not heavy at all. So they won't pull on your ear. I really like these. You can see the side of them. The little grooves. And they almost came out looking perfect, like perfect matches. I did use different beads at the bottom. I just think that adds a different flair to the earrings, but I did use the Buddha head so that there will be some uniformity in it. So we have, and then the ear wire. Well, all right, family, and we'll talk soon.